So this is where I was hoping to do a video showing you all my lovely new car. There's been a couple of videos with the car being involved, and I was hoping to do a nice early year start video talking you through what I bought and why I bought it and such like. Had a bit of a mishap. Today's a sad day. My little Cougar.
Very tight.
It's tight enough. My Cougar. Smashed it. So I bought a 4x4 because I thought for that one day a year it snows, I'd have it. It snowed, and obviously I've crashed it, haven't I? So this is what the aftermath of the crashes. Front bumper, front wing, headlights a bit mullered, and steering wise, I'm looking. Oh, that's a bit broken. Just there. Wheel arch liner as well. I'm hoping that it can be resolved. I'm having a bit of a battle with the insurance company, and as a result, I'm just going to go ahead and fix it myself because they're going to write the car off, and the car's going to be worth next to nothing for the sake of a couple £100. Anyway, some parts have arrived, and here we are. So, have a new front bumper and a new front wing, and they're going to go into the paint shop and be painted and be fitted to the vehicle. So I need to try and source a front splitter or a front spoiler. And I've got a fog lamp on the way, I've got a surround on the way, I've got a couple of bits and pieces on the way, and then get the car back on the road. No doubt the snow will be gone by then. Bugger. So great news, my dad had actually been out and picked up this light for me. So this is a Cougar Light. It's slightly different to mine, but it doesn't matter because it was £30. Anyway, it has a broken clip, which I'm going to re-secure back on here like so, and hopefully that is going to be strong enough to secure it. Just going to fix in here, I'm fixing up here, and I'm fixing at the front. There is a fourth one up here which appears to be broken and missing, but as I say, for 4 or 30 quid I cannot grumble at that. The only thing different is mine has an orange thing, but yeah, the nearest price I found was about £75, and it was more broken than this one. So upside down, got the Q-Bond kit, and hopefully this will be exactly what I need. Right, Q-Bond has been done, and that is absolutely solid now. So you apply the powder and add the glue. I did it the other way around, added the glue first and added the powder. And yeah, that's really, really sturdy, and I'm gonna leave it to set overnight, ready to fit tomorrow, if the car is ready. Right, so the front bumper is prepped, the wing is prepped, and I've just taken delivery of the last piece of the puzzle, I believe, which is a front wing, or front wing trim. Just offered it up and it fits. The standard one doesn't have this lip here, it also doesn't have the bits on the side, so that's sorted. That was £10. Bargain. So they're going to get painted. The paint should be here this afternoon. Oh, the front splitter as well. That was exceptionally expensive. I'm hoping that is the last pieces now. Get that and that painted, and then we can get it fitted to the car and then back on the road. Oh no, there's my little car. Hopefully, soon enough, it will be fixed and be back on the road. How's this for a year? This is my where I work, and this is a pretty epic view. That's the Vale of Clwyd in front of us. It's looking rather lovely. But yeah, the Cougar will live again very soon, hopefully. the time has come to take the car home. So today, I'm gonna do an amazing repair on this. It's gonna be incredible. The panels have been painted, so hopefully get them loaded into the car and get everything home this afternoon. Very, very excited to get this back. Oh, here we go. Mega repair coming up. 3, 2, 1. Ah, masterpiece. Mega. So I'm home. The drive was actually really enjoyable. I've missed that car a lot. And yeah, hopefully very soon the car will be back up and running. All the panels are sorted and painted. And today's Friday evening. Tomorrow morning I'm going to be outside and I'm going to be tearing that sucker apart and hopefully having it ready to take to work on Monday. That's the plan. Should be a few videos coming on this car, so stay tuned. Leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already and do wish to, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. Absolutely gutted this has happened, but it's going to get sorted. So thanks for watching.